start the video. People like these are just rude. Someone give me neck items to match me shaking my head. Haha. Today, I don't know what video we're going to be doing. Oh, it's a message from the supposed one. Ha 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 ha. No, you. Anyways, as I was saying before, I got rudely interrupted. I'm sorry. I was saying, as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, we could be doing the random kind of genetics. Oh my freaking mirror! I ain't rude. I'm saying smirk because I don't match. Haha. Jesus Christ. Calm down, Roadman. Jesus. Anyway, as I was saying before I got rudely interrupted. Fucking hell. As I was saying before my light fell down and freaking Karen interrupted me, we're going to be doing the random genetics challenge in Animal Jam like Sims because, you know, I'm classy like that, you know. Animal Jam classic. Haha, get it? Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, to be honest. Okay, let's get started, shall we? So obviously the rational thing to do first is to pick an animal. So I'm going to be scrolling down and then closing my eyes and picking some. So, yeah, I'm just gonna do this and then click on this animal. What did I pick? I can't open my eyes yet. Okay, I'm gonna open my eyes in 3, 2, 1. Oh no! It's my cute fox! Ah! I gotta make a disgusting look with it now. I'm gonna cry! Okay, so I'm gonna take off their clothes now. Oh, she naked, real good. But Sparks, you're gonna get taken down by YouTube because they don't want inappropriate things on their app. Oh, I didn't just say that. Anyway, we're going to be picking a random colour, so we're going to be randomising it, so let's go. Okay, I'm closing my eyes, go. Wow, I went off the screen. Okay, let's go. That is the most ugliest. Okay, calm down. I'm sure the second colour won't be that bad. Oh my. Zeo Screely Mirror Peck and the weird panda that I can't remember the freaking name of. Okay, now to choose the random eyes. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wow, what an amazing eye choice of colour. Okay, now we're going to be randomising the eye colour. Wow, that is the most... Wow, look how amazing my fox is, guys. Look, 100% fashion statement right here. Okay, now we're going to pick the design. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, now to pick the colour. Oh wow, that goes so well. Ew, what have I created? Okay, now for the outfit, which I'm most dreading. Okay, we've got to scroll down. Okay, hopefully this all doesn't go downhill. Okay. I could work with this, kind of, maybe. We'll see. Now the neck items, as you can see, I don't have many, so I'm just gonna... Wow, out of all of them, you chose this Animal Jam. What the heck? Okay, now for the back/front item, I don't know. Okay. Go. A keytar. It's not a guitar. No. This is the Animal Jam rip-off. A keytar. Not a guitar. Not ones that you go brum brum with. No. It's a keytar. Get it right. Get your facts straight, Animal Jam. Okay, now for Lafitte. Wow, this outfit is the most amazing thing I've ever seen since Greely went missing in the volcano and basically died, but he came back. As you guys can probably guess, this is going to be my new spirit animal. If you ever see me wearing this around, it means I'm probably depressed or kind of happy. But if you see me wearing this look, then don't call child services. Please don't. I hope you guys enjoyed this irrational video, and I'll see you all in the next video with my ugly fox.